Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 classic vehicles available for sale across North America for under $15,000. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, here we go with today's vehicles for sale.
Okay, so let's get started here. Still fighting a bit of a cold, so I apologize for my voice. Hopefully we can get through this. We have a 1963 Buick Skylark listed for $14,500 US in Osseo, Minnesota. It's been driven 65,000 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in good condition, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description. Now, seller has included a lot of information. I'm just going to give a synopsis here. You can click the link in the video description below if you'd like more information. So here is the description. 65,000 original miles, completely rust-free, starts right up, runs and drives great. Power steering, power assist brakes. New shocks in the rear this season. Clean Arizona title in hand. Original numbers matching aluminum head and aluminum block, 215 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual. Engine was rebuilt in 2007, carb rebuilt this season, transmission rebuild, clutch, throwout bearing all new this season. Also has a new fuel pump. Ran good in the Arizona heat with no overheating issues. Car is originally VV Granada red and white top, unsure if it's been repainted or not. Chrome and trim all there and in great condition. Top has a couple of rips and the back window is faded. Passenger window has a crack, but still rolls up and down fine. Alrighty, up next we have a 1973 AMC Javelin, listed for $15,000 in Dry Ridge, Kentucky. It's been driven 73,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1973 AMC Javelin, 304 V8 automatic. Pretty much original still, garage kept, trade for classic truck or car. Alright, we're going to go north of the border here for a moment. 1958 Mercury Meteor Niagara 300, listed for $11,500 Canadian in Port Coquitlam, BC. It has an automatic transmission and is listed in good condition. From the seller's description, very rare Canadian built 58 Meteor 2-door sedan. Both body and interior in nice shape, sitting on Crown Vic frame and chassis with updated running gear. No rust, power steering, power brakes. 351 cubic inch with overdrive automatic transmission. Easily qualifies for modified collector plates, insured and ready for a test drive. Sorry, no trades. You don't see these come up very often. 1962 Chevrolet Corvair Greenbrier, listed for $9,500 US in Mount Airy, North Carolina. It's been driven 74,869 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1962 Chevrolet Corvair Greenbrier, air-cooled flat 6, power glide automatic, runs and drives great. New tires, fun little cruiser. Okay, here we have a 1977 Chevrolet Corvette, listed for $10,500 US in Lincoln, Michigan. It's been driven 89,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, very short and sweet. She's been well taken care of and loved. And we'll slip across the border again. Here we have a 1973 Ford Mustang, listed for $14,000 Canadian in Barrie, Ontario. It's been driven 160,000 kilometers, and from the seller's description, in very good condition, on the road under Haggerty Insurance, all new chrome wheel arches, rocker chrome, new copper nickel brake lines, new gas tank and lines, bought rims and tires 2 years ago, painted 5 years ago, needs manifold gasket, has a leak that makes it a little loud when driving. Original 6-cylinder motor. Okay, here we have a 1974 AMC Matador, listed for $6,500 US in Mooresville, North Carolina. It's been driven 135,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, it's listed in used good condition. 1974 AMC Matador, 304 auto, California car, been in North Carolina 3 years. I've done a lot to get it up and running, still needs some carb work but is drivable. We'll do partial trade or full trade for Jeep, CJ, YJ, Wrangler, preferably automatic. Alright, slipping across the border for a third time. 1970 Ford Ranchero, listed for $12,500 Canadian in Bay Roberts, Newfoundland. I think this is the first vehicle I've listed from the Rock. It's been driven 49,371 kilometers, has an automatic transmission, listed in very good condition, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, 302 engine, garage stored. I've had it 2 years, prior owner for 11 plus years, never saw rain. Original color was blue, interior mostly unchanged. Currently has 2 bucket seats installed, but I still have the original bench seat with a couple of small tears in it. Great shape, runs well. Okay, this car needs some brake work, but otherwise looks good. Here we have a 1961 Nash Metropolitan, listed for $9,000 US in Atwood, Illinois. It's been driven 13,076 miles, has a manual transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, 1961 Nash Metropolitan, 3-speed on the column, not perfect but not bad. Runs and drives, but brakes do not work. Alright, the voice is really starting to go, people. I'm sorry about this. Here we have a 1969 Volkswagen dune buggy truck, listed for $10,500 US in Dover, Foxcroft, Maine. It's been driven 26,000 miles and has a manual transmission. Seller's description is short and sweet: Kellison Sandpiper Truck.
Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button so you'll be notified when future videos go live. This series of videos go live on YouTube every Sunday and Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I also post videos for project cars that I call Fix 'em Up Friday, which will go live every Friday at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to support the channel, please consider a channel membership. You can click the join button below or the link in the channel description, and you'll have access to extra perks, including early access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.